Leetcode solving session, and this is 671. This equals say the minimum node in the binary tree. Somebody give you a binary tree, and you want to return second minimum. And if no such second minimum exists, you need to output -1. So for example, in this case, the 5 is the second minimum, the smallest is 2, and the input is 2 to. If you have 2 to 2, then it's just -1. Okay, so we can solve this by using any kind of tree search, like pre-order, in order, or post order. And basically, I copy the code. This is called in order. Basically, you can use any order because this is binary tree. So if this is a binary search tree, then you should use in order. But it's binary search tree, binary tree. So actually, the complexity for 3 kind of different orders is the same. Okay, so this is in order. I guess you need to read. This is very easy because this is in order. So you first go to the left, then you go to the roots, and then you go to the right. Okay, and up to now, this global LL equals to empty. Up to here, this L will return a list. So L will return 2 to 5 5. This is in order, so L will return 2. Will return 2 2 5 5 7. Okay. Then we just okay. So I should first send L into a set because I want to cancel all the duplicated elements. Then I change into list and I sort it. So after I sort it, if the length of P is 1, that means there's only 1 element in the all tree. So I should return -1 because there's no second minimum. Otherwise, I return the second minimum, so it's P1. Okay. So how about we submit? So basically, many tree problems in the Leetcode can be solved by just so-called the tree traversal. And I think the in order is the I usually like to use the in order, but I mean, actually you can use any order you want. Okay, now I will see you guys in the next videos. Thanks. Be sure to subscribe to my channel.